This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the machine safe and visible. Unplug it, lift the presser foot, and raise the needle so guides align. Remove the fabric and check the spool and bobbin condition. An uneven bobbin or bent needle causes issues. Once done, set a correctly sized needle and place a freshly wound bobbin into its case with the thread feeding the correct direction. Make sure you seat the spool and pass the thread through the first guide to start accurate threading. Now you thread the upper mechanism deliberately. Follow the numbered guides, slip the thread between the tension discs so it seats properly, and thread through the T-cup lever top to bottom. Then pass it through the needle eye from front to back. This alignment controls stitch formation. Once threaded, hold the top thread and turn the handwheel to draw the bobbin thread up. If the bobbin thread appears, tensioning is cooperating. Make tension adjustments slowly while testing on scrap to balance stitches. You finish by lowering the presser foot and sewing 2 short test lines on scrap. Observe stitch formation on both sides. Even interlocking indicates success. If stitches look loose or looped, stop, trim tails, and rethread the top and bobbin in order because misthreading causes most issues. Make small tension changes and retest until balanced. A key troubleshooting tip: if looping persists, remove the bobbin case, clear lint, and reinsert the bobbin correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.